Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav on the Ford Sync 3 audio system in this 2017 Ford Focus. So, I mean, from any screen here, that you already see the sat nav there. But if we click on navigation, that puts it on the whole screen. Then you want destination. Touch destination. You've got search address, town, points of information, previous destination, home, work, favorites. So we'll go for search. Enter an address. I'm going to put a postcode in. Our postcode is Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, High Walton, Preston, PR5. Now I'm going to put a space in it, space, and then 4EA. So that's it, it's recognised it there. We'll click search. Searching for PR5. Oh, actually, it's for some reason it's gone to 4EH there, but so anyway, it mustn't have 4EA in here. It's actually a car park, this, believe it or not. So that's it, and just click start.
In a quarter of a mile, turn left and then make a U-turn.
So that's how to set the sat nav.